Hi, good afternoon. Is this the phone repair shop? Yes, it is. How can I help you today? My phone isn't working properly. The screen is cracked and it sometimes freezes. Can you fix it? Let me take a look. It seems like the screen needs to be replaced, and the freezing issue might be related to the software or internal hardware. How long will it take to fix, and how much will it cost? Replacing the screen will take about an hour and costs $120. For the freezing issue, we'll need to run a diagnostic test, which will cost an additional $30. Alright, please go ahead with the repairs. Sure, I'll replace the screen first and then check the internal issues. Can you leave the phone with us for a few hours? Yes, that's fine. Should I back up my data before the repair? Yes, it's always a good idea to back up your data just in case. Got it. I'll come back later to pick it up. Great. We'll call you once it's ready.